Hey guys, welcome to Referral Rocket. I'm Karan, and in this video, we'll explore how you can configure email notifications for your program. Typically, you would love to send email notifications to yourself whenever there's a referral or whenever there's someone who's eligible for a reward, or you want to send a email notification to an affiliate with specific details. So it is possible to configure such emails using Referral Rocket. In your campaign, simply navigate to the email notification tab where you have a bunch of uh, emails that you can send to yourself, to the affiliate, to the referrer. All these emails are customizable. You can change the subject, you can change the body, you can also make most of these email dynamic based on who you're sending it to using the different variables that you have. Now, um, in most cases, the email will be sent using the email address that was used to create this campaign. Um, However, if you would like, you can actually also configure the email to be coming from your email server. Just navigate to the setting tab and add in the email credentials that you would like us to use essentially.